The next sense organ is the nose. Look at the diagram of different parts of the nose. The external nose has two nostrils into it and they lead to the nasal cavity. Nasal septum divides the nasal cavity into two halves. Nasal cavity consists of a mucous membrane which makes the inner lining of the nose wet. And there are also small hairs in the nose in order to avoid dust particles from getting into the lungs. Generally, smell serves as a protection function for animals. They can be able to identify dangerous food which are poisonous and the scent of other animals such as predators. Predators are the animals which are harmful to them and which may kill them. But with respect to human beings, smell is primarily concerned with the identifying the food, concerned with taste of the food, and in order to identify the spoiled food. The sense of smell in the human beings is less as compared to that of animals. There are certain receptors in the nose which carry the sense of smell to the brain. These receptors are known as olfactory receptors. Generally, the odor, which is known as the smell, is identified by the chemical molecules present in the smell. So the odor is identified by the nose with the help of olfactory receptors by the presence of the chemical molecules in it. Scientists have observed 1500 different odor producing chemicals. Exactly how the nose makes sense of so many odors is not completely understood till now. The sense of smell is being understood by the brain with the help of a separate system apart from the hypothalamus, which has been used by others in order to identify the senses of other sense organs.